Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. This is your English class, week number 15. Today was 9 December 2020 and the day was Wednesday. And this is the today's lesson number 5 from unit 4, read and respond. Yesterday we finished the page number 56 and today we are going to read page 57 and 58. Okay, so you have to listen the track number 42. Okay, and you have to open the page number 56 to 58, read and respond. So first you have to listen the information. Okay, how people learn about the sky many years ago, and after read the information you have to answer the questions. So you have to read well or and listen well the track number 42. The track number 42 is about how people learn about sky many years ago. So here is your English book, and yesterday we talked about you have to find the countries. Okay, the people come the ancient people come from different countries like Egypt, Mexico, Greece, China, and Italy. So these are ancient people and they come from different countries. So I'm going to play the track number 42. You have to listen well and get the information how people learn about the sky, what is the astronomer, and what he do. Okay, what he does.
Track 42.
Astronomers all over the world. An astronomer is a person who studies the stars and planets. Today, astronomers look at the sky with big, powerful telescopes. They can take photos of the planets with cameras. Many years ago, astronomers didn't have telescopes or cameras, but they watched the sky and they learned many new things. Ancient Egypt. The people of ancient Egypt learned to tell the time by looking at the stars. One very famous astronomer was Hypatia of Alexandria. She lived in Egypt 2,000 years ago. She wrote books about maths and astronomy. The Mayan people in Mexico. The Mayan people lived mainly in Mexico. Mayan astronomers made special buildings to watch the stars and planets in the sky. They learned how the planets move. They measured light and shadows. The Mayans thought that the Earth was flat. Ancient Greece. The people of ancient Greece learned that the Earth goes round the Sun. They gave names to many of the planets. The word planet is from a Greek word. Ancient China. The people of China learned a lot about the night sky. They knew that the moon is round. They knew that the sun shines light on the moon. Ancient Rome. The people of ancient Rome, in Italy today, learned many important things. They learned that the Earth goes round the sun in 1 year. They learned that the moon goes round the Earth in 1 month. They made a calendar. Their calendar was similar to our calendar today.
Okay, boys, so I hope you understand the information. Okay, what are the astronomers, and here are some questions. Okay, so an astronomer is a person who looks at animals. Okay, we can use a telescope to look at the planet. Hypatia wrote books about birds. The Mayans thought that the earth was round. The people of ancient Greece gave name to many planets. The people of ancient Rome made a calendar. Okay, so here are the some questions. So you have to read the information, okay, and after you have to solve these questions, answer the questions, okay. I will send answer keys in our next class. So what are the astronomers? So astronomer is a person who studies the stars and planets, okay. Today we are going to use cameras and telescopes, but the old people, okay, they don't have camera and telescopes, but they watch the sky and they learn many new things. So ancient Egypt. The ancient Egypt learned to tell the time by looking at the stars. Okay, so they look at the stars and tell the time. So there is one famous astronomer, Hypatia of Alexandria. She wrote the book about math and astronomy. Okay, after the Mayan people in Mexico, the Mayan people thinks the earth was flat, and they made special buildings to watch the stars and planets in the sky. But ancient Greece, the people of ancient Greece learned that the earth goes round the sun. Okay, the earth goes round the sun, and they gave names to many of the planets like Mars. Okay, and ancient China, the people of China learned that a lot about the night sky. Okay, the ancient China learned about the night sky, how they look like in night. They knew that the moon is round and the sun shines light on the moon. Okay, because the moon has no light. When the sun shines, then moon shines. The ancient Rome invent made a calendar, okay, and this is the same calendar like today. So they also learned that earth goes around the sun in 1 year. So now you have to read the information well and try to answer these questions. So first of all, the astronomers not look at the animals, they look at the sky and stars. We can use a telescope to look at the planet, right? Hypatia wrote book about birds. It's not good. Hypatia wrote books about math and astronomy. The Mayan people thought that the earth was round. No, they said the earth was flat. The people of ancient Greece gave name to many planets. It's right. Okay? The ancient people, the ancient Greece gave name to many planets. The people of ancient Rome made a calendar. Okay? It's right. So you have to answer these questions. And in our next class, we will talk about past and present verbs and sentences. Thank you so much.